Yes, people. Okay, right now we're taking a look at this Yahoo Finance article about how much money is currently going to be protected in the UK under new rules when it comes to banking institutions and high street banks. So let's take a look here. So it says here the UK's deposit protection limit for customers is changing. So previously it used to be about 85 grand. So for example, if something happened in your bank account, if there was an economic issue or some sort of catastrophe, the bank would be able to be liable for about 85 grand, so £85,000. They could, basically claw back and give to you in the case that there was an issue. Now that deposit protection is actually going to increase for customers, so it's going to go from 85k to 120k as of December the 1st, 2025. That's good. So that move basically is looking to strengthen consumer confidence when it comes to financial institutions. So right now, a lot of the financial institutions are in a bit of turmoil. We've seen crypto markets plummet. We've seen geopolitical issues affecting various economies, the price of gold skyrocketing, and so on. So, people have had a lack of confidence and consumer confidence when it comes to banking and so on. So this new limit is going to apply to deposits held in UK authorized financial institutions, and basically it's going to protect customers if there's any issues, like the bank fails, building society fails, or credit union is failing. So the increase marks the first change in deposit protection basically since the last 8 years or so, back in 2017. So who's behind the scheme? Who's in basically monitors this scheme is the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which is basically going to implement the higher limit automatically. It says here, so customers, they don't actually have to take any action. The increased protection will occur. It's an automated process. Now they're guaranteeing around 120k basically there. So that's good news for the average consumer or customer in the banking and financial space. So it says here, justifying the increase, Sam Woods, Deputy Governor for Prudential Regulation at the Bank of England and Chief Exec of Prudential Regulation Authority, said the change will help maintain the public's confidence in the safety of their money. It means that depositors will be protected up to £120,000 should the bank, building society, or credit union fail. So basically, it's all about supporting public confidence. Now, this 120,000 limit basically also exceeds an earlier PRA proposal of 110. So it's actually more, around 10k more than a previous kind of idea that they had or what they put forward previously in previous consultations. So it's 120k, that's 10k more than what was previously thought would be a good idea. Now, customers holding accounts with more than one brand under the same banking license should take note that the £120,000 protection applies to the total balance across all their accounts within that group. Therefore, if a banking group operates several brands, compensation limit applies to the aggregate balance of the accounts, not individually. So Martin Beauchamp, Chief Executive of the FSCS, said, "We welcome today's announcement from Prudential Regulation Authority confirming the deposits protection limit will increase, and this rise will help basically customers feel more confident, more safe that their finances in banking institutions are much more likely to be protected and safeguarded. And 85k to 120k, that's what a good 35k difference is a big difference there. Essentially, about what 40% plus or something like that in terms of more. So the 120k limit will be kicking in very soon at the start of December in 2025. Again, it's a boost for consumer confidence in the financial authority and banking sectors. Do let us know what you think about that in the comment section below. Currently, we're on 3.7k subscribers on YouTube. Help us reach the 10k mark by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, people, catch you in the next one.